Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about a company called SBI Cards and Payment Services Limited. This company is engaged in the business of issuing credit cards to consumers in India. Due to this COVID-19, people have started purchasing everything from online through Amazon and Flipkart. So due to this, this particular company's share value has increased a lot. So currently, even though it is written 969, today its current price is around 977, and it just crossed the yearly high of 975, and yearly low is around 495. This company is also giving a small dividend, that is 0.1 percentage, 10 percentage, and but if you look at the ROC value, that is good, 15.2 percentage. ROE, return on equity value, is very good, that is almost around 28 percentage, and promoter is having a holding of around 70 percentage, that is also good. This company listed in March, so because of that reason, last 1 year, 3 year, and 5 year return is not here, and debt to equity is little high, 2.69. But if you look at the chart, in March or April, May, you can see it is trading around 500. But after that, once the 50-day and 200-day moving average crosses here in July, from here onwards, the price of the stock is keep on going higher and higher. So currently it is around 977, you can see. So this growth is really amazing. And when you consider the advantage of this particular company, this company has delivered a good profit growth of around 36.09% CAGR over last 5 years. And return on equity is also very good for the last 3 years. Return on equity is around 29%. That is really amazing. And when you look at the profit and loss statement, you can see every year from March 2014, you can see it is keep on increasing every year. You can see the last 2 years, that is March 2019 and 2865, it is 1245. So that is really amazing, and EPS ratio is also good, that is 13.26. And dividend, you see, except in 2014 and 2018, all other years they have given a very good dividend. So that is also looking very nice. When you discuss about its compound sale growth, that is positive, and it is 32%, that is very good. And compounded profit growth is also 44%, that is also looking, the company is good. And stock price CAGR is not there because 1 year is not yet over, because of that is not there. Return on equities, you see 28%, that is also looking very nice. And asset value also, you can see total assets are keep on increasing, that is also looking, the company is very good. So now we will go to the technical chart. So when you look at the technical chart, you can see the IPO started in March. So it touched a high of around 766. From there it came down to 500 level, and in April 13, as well as in 22nd May. But here onwards, you can see it is keep on increasing, and it just crossed this level also. Then from there it went up to 915. Then again it came back, but currently it also crossed this level, that is this resistance, that is around 910 or 911, 917 or around 915 level. So from there it is again, it just crossed with a very good green candle, and it is keep on going up. So in near term, you can see around 45 percentage growth, that is you can see this share of this particular stock around 1300 level. Okay, so this really amazing stocks. So if you are interested, and you can go for this particular thing. So thank you.